This is VIVO T1 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Play Store, then sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Do not also forget to, connect your device to internet, preferably Wi-Fi. Then at the search bar input the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, let me quickly uninstall it first. So anyways, once the needed app was found, you can initiate or initialize its installation either directly from the search results or open the app page. Doesn't really matter as long as you, tap at the install button really. So now give it a few seconds to be downloaded and installed, which, the longevity of the process depends on how fast is your internet connection, obviously. So anyways, once the app is installed, you can just go ahead and launch it. In here, you will need to perform a simple setup. So make sure to, decide if you would like to enable notifications first. Then if you would like to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat. And at the final page, you should be able to manage the data collection preferences, but with this particular setup it didn't launch the menu needed for it, but easier for us, less things to configure. So that will be. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.